Hey everybody, I am so excited to share a quick haul with you guys today. I purchased some things from scrapbook.com and also Altenew. I normally have been saving my haul videos for my channel members just as an extra perk. I thought it's been a while since I have uploaded a haul video for you guys. I decided to share this one with you guys. As always, all of the supplies are linked down below. There is a general link where it will bring you to a web page and you could see all of the items. So a visible supply list, which is very helpful, at least for me anyways. And then I will have every item individually linked as well. So let's start off with... let's do scrapbook.com exclusives first. So I had seen that they were doing an exclusive die with Pinkfresh Studio. And you guys know that I love Pinkfresh Studio. I absolutely love their paper collections, their stamps, everything. They're just such an amazing company, and I have done some guest design work with them, and they're just so much fun, and I could not pass this up. So this was a freebie last week. It's not available anymore, but I highly recommend you check back every so often, every day or every other day on scrapbook.com so you can see the different deals that they have, freebies and things like that they have, because they offer some amazing stuff. Like one time, I think it was a couple weeks back, maybe, they were offering the small version of the Make Art Station as a freebie, which is amazing. And then I couldn't pass this die up. It says, "Thank you." Such a gorgeous, thin, scripty word die. Love that. And then I noticed that they have these script dies as well, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So we have beautiful birthday wishes, us, kind, smile, love, be, celebrate, congrats. So moments, there's so many beautiful words. And I love the font, and this is exclusive to scrapbook.com, so you can only get it at scrapbook.com, which is kind of amazing. So that is those. Then I purchased some stencils. Let me show you guys. So I got this one from Picket Fence Studio, which is so gorgeous, as you could see. It's super thin. I absolutely love it. Then I got this one, which I might already have, but I don't know. I know sometimes the mandala kaleidoscope looking ones sometimes can all look the same sometimes when you have a lot of them. But this one is so pretty. Then I got this one from Paper Rose, and it is absolutely amazing. I just love it. It's so cool. And this is, I don't know if it's a newer company, but they are newer to scrapbook.com. So that's kind of cool that they carry that. And then I got some stencils from Altenew. And this one here, I love. It's super thin, so it's really cool to work with. And then this one, I love this one, the geometric landscape stencil. Hopefully I'm getting these good so you guys can see. Okay. Then I purchased some stamps, of course, and I got this one, geometric landscape stamp, because I saw somebody watercolor it really gorgeously. Is gorgeously a word? I don't know. Anyways, I saw somebody make a card with this one, and it was absolutely beautiful, so of course I had to buy it. And it's a nice size, and I love the simple sentiments down at the bottom. I love that. All right, and then this one here, again, I saw somebody use this stamp on a card for a rainbow wreath, and I absolutely had to have it. And who knows if I'll ever use it. You guys know I definitely have a problem, you guys. I wonder, can you guys relate? Do you guys have shopping issues? I'm sure we all do. It's with something, whether it's crafty stuff, shoes, whatever. Yeah. All right, then I got this Paint a Flower stamp set. I cannot pronounce that, so I'm not even going to try. But this one is absolutely beautiful. You guys know I love florals. And I love this sentiment down here. It says, be your own kind of beautiful, which is such a good sentiment. And be filled with joy. I love that. I love this one. Love, love, love. All right, and then this one, again, I saw somebody make a card with it. So I got this line art stamp. So cool. I love it. So whimsical looking. And I love the sentiments as well. Love that. All right, then let me move these out of the way. All right, then this Anemone one is absolutely beautiful. I love the florals on here. So gorgeous. And I love the sentiments as well. Live in the moment, be your own kind of beautiful, just smile, beautiful inside and out. You are beautiful. And this super cute hello down here. Love that. Love it. All right, and then I absolutely love these wood veneer pieces from Altenew. So I picked up 4 of them because I tend to use these pieces here, the squares and the triangles mostly. So I run out often. Can't even tell you how many I've purchased, but you can only get these at Altenew, I believe. So you would have to go to their website to purchase them, but they are amazing. They are so sticky on the back. It's crazy. And a little tip, what I like to do is actually take them off of the acetate sheet and just use the sticky back part and put white embossing powder on the sticky part. And then that way you don't have to use any embossing ink or anything like that. So I love doing that because I normally just use white embossing powder for those, which I really love the look of that. All right, and then I purchased some washi tape. This is so gorgeous. It's a very thin washi tape. It's like a navy blue with gold in the center. So pretty, beautiful, just for a, like a finishing touch on a card. Really, really pretty. Navy gold trim washi tape. So love that. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right. Then I purchased a couple dies. I love dies, especially the bigger ones, because when I do like ink blending or alcohol ink backgrounds or anything like that and I need a quick card, the dies are amazing because you just die cut out the sentiment and go on your merry way without covering up too much of the background that you created. So these ones are really fun. And they just say hello. So the circle die, it connects to the hello, and then this one is just like a Waterbrush hello look. Really, really fun. All right, the last thing that I got, I'm so excited about. Let me show you guys. So I got these creative cutouts nested wreath. They are amazing. They're pretty thick cardstock. They're 80 pound, not the thickest, but I feel that they would be really great on a layout or a card. There is smaller pieces in there. Let's see if I can get those so you could see there's smaller ones in there as well. There's 9 different pieces, so 9 wreaths, which is a good amount, I feel. And I could cut these out with my Cricut or something similar to this, but a lot of times I'm lazy and don't want to mess around with my Cricut. So buying something that I can have on hand. I love greenery and just foliage. It's so beautiful. Just to kind of add touches here and there to mixed media projects, layouts, cards, things like that. I have put together a small playlist for you of more haul videos that I have done in the past. Be sure to check it out, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!